welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're not new, welcome again. Hope you're having a great weekend. But if you're new, thanks for clicking on. I'm so happy that you're here. On this channel, we're all things makeup, skincare, giveaways, unboxings. And so if you're into that, then stick around. We're building an amazing beauty community here, and we're so happy that you're here. So consider subscribing, ring the notification bell, and like this video if you like what you see. So today we are working on a Trendmood unboxing. Yay! I thought that I would start somewhat barefaced because I want to try the products that are in this box. Last month we had a Trendmood unboxing and it was a giveaway, and I love the stuff in that box and I have used it, but I forgot to use it on camera and I just get so busy that I thought today I will unbox and use at the same time. And I'm so excited because this month is an amazing box. It is all Black-owned beauty. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my box, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna use the products as I unbox. I just think that that's the best way to do it, to make sure that you guys get to see what's in the box and how it performs, at least on a first impressions basis. So this box retails for $39. It started like every couple of months. You know, we never knew the date or anything like that. And now I feel like I'm seeing it monthly. So this is box number 7. It's a very special box this month because it's all Black-owned beauty products, which I really love because I feel like, you know, a couple months ago it was Black Lives Matter, and it was everywhere. Everybody was filming Black-owned beauty brand videos. I did one as well, but I guess the reason why I love this box so much is because it's not a trend. It's not just what happens to be going on in the world right now. Like it has to be a real change that occurs not only in the beauty industry, but everywhere. And so, you know, just having companies think that way and really show their commitment and follow through on the things they've said is really cool. So I love that. I've been continuing to try out new Black beauty brands, and I'm just so excited by this box. Plus, a lot of people were really excited. I'm so excited about the lipsticks because my friend Beauty in the Frizz, I'll pop her channel here because she's amazing. You guys have to go find her, subscribe, and watch. She's just amazing. She had mentioned about these lipsticks that are in this box, and I almost went and bought the whole collection just because they were so beautiful, and she had a really cool video on that, so I'll link the video here. But there's some in this box, so I was so excited that I get to try them. I'm still gonna go back and buy more shades because they're just so beautiful, but I wanna try them today. So let's get started. I will link Trendmood's Instagram page and their YouTube channel below so that you guys can go check them out. They, you know, as the name suggests, that they release information on all of the new launches and what's trending in the makeup space, and so I really love to go to them for that type of information. Here we go. Oh my god. Okay, so the very first box in the box is the new Born to Shine blush palette by OPV Beauty. That is huge, guys. I don't know why I thought it was smaller. And it has a 36-month shelf life, which is pretty cool. Okay, so it's a carton packaging. It's a pretty big size. Whoa, you get a very generous mirror in there. Look at that. It's huge. And holy moly on these pan sizes. Look at that, guys. Just for reference, this is my index finger. Look at how big those pans are. These colors look incredible. No scent, which is really good. Oh my goodness. It's got like these little star embossings on it. So cute. This is really, really nice, you guys. I'm gonna wait to put this blush on because I know we're getting an eyeshadow palette. So here is the eyeshadow palette. And this one is the Smoke Show Colored Rain palette. This one's a little bit smaller. And it's also a carton packaging, which is fine. And it also comes with a little mirror, which is also fine. And these colors look amazing. You guys know I love a smoky eye. I love green. Before we get going, I'm just going to start with my eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the mirror in my blush palette because this thing's humongous. I'll link all of the products that were in the box with their respective websites so that you guys can go check them out. And so I think that, let me swatch some of these to see how pigmented they are. Okay, I think I'm going to start with this one here, which is Flammable. That's the name of the shade. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to start with that shade in my crease. It is pretty pigmented. I barely tapped in the pan. I can tell you that they are a little powdery, but with all pigmented shadows, we get that sometimes. It's a really pretty rusty brown, like a terracotta. I think that's cute. I'm gonna go in with this green shade, Showtime. Duh, I love green. I have to use it. And I'm going to very lightly. Whoa, that is so pigmented, you guys. I very lightly tapped my brush. Whew. I just had a video on Sydney Grace, which is an indie brand, and it's like, that's what I'm saying, like, these indie brands are killing it, like, with their pigment, their quality, like, they're not playing around. It's blending out very nicely. The pigment is incredible, as you guys can see. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Naked Eye in the inner 1/3 of the eye. Wayne Goss number 18. Just to lighten it up a little bit. The dark color, the smoke screen, the one that looks black, that one has a little bit of shimmer, but the rest is matte. Sometimes we can get a little burned out on glitters and shimmers. I mean, oh my gosh, who am I? Burned out on shimmers? Yeah, right. But it's really pretty, like it's all matte. This is a really good size little palette that you could probably take, like, you know, traveling with you, because it doesn't take up too much room, and especially for work, it's not like I'm gonna be showing up with pink or purple glitter, but you know. Actually, I probably would find a really professional, classy way to do that, but you know what I mean. Okay, there is, I did see this, the metal and liquid glitter. And it also comes in the box. So although this color is a matte, I think, oh yes, hell yes, okay. It's blue glitter. So there we go, you know. You guys are gonna get bored with me if I don't use glitter, you know what I'm saying? You think you'll be on somebody else's channel, you'll be a little confused. You'll be a little confusion. I'm gonna take my reference number 2 brush. I'm gonna take a little bit of this torch, the dark brown, the chocolate brown, in my lower lash line. All right, so I darkened it up a little bit, and let's go in with the blue glitter. Let's not mess around. So it's a metal and liquid glitter. It goes on like a shadow. Let's just slap that puppy on. It has a brush as the applicator. Okay, I know what you guys are gonna say after I say what I'm gonna say, but I'm just gonna say it. In my humble opinion, this liquid metallic glitter just took my matte look to the next level. Just saying. I'm just saying, it is what it is. It's not my fault. Okay, so this is what I mean. Like, glitter just makes everything in life like better. Even if it was good, it makes it better, right? Am I right? Okay, so happy with my glitter. Okay, now I think I know what I'm gonna do with my blush. I'm gonna take my reference number 5, and you know what? This blue makes me feel like really positive. So I think I'm gonna go in with this. What do you guys think? Are you guys screaming through your phones or through the computer saying no, don't do it? I'm gonna do it. I don't care, I'm gonna do it. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'll give you guys swatches of all these blushes, by the way. Can we say pigment? You know, I just reviewed the ColourPop collection where I had to build, and now I have to diffuse because there's so much pigment. Like, this is what I'm talking about. Indie brands, my goodness. Come with it. Okay. It's extremely pigmented, so you're gonna have to go in lightly. Holy shabam. I know it looks a little uneven, guys, and I think that's just my face, to be honest. It has nothing to do with the product. I need to So there, it looks a little uneven. That's just me. That's my skin. It gets, I have some dark patches there. In general, it looks good. A lot of pigment, so be careful when you're going with a light hand initially. But it looks good. I mean, I like it. I'm gonna use it. Okay, next. Woo. Another thing that Yadi loves. Yeah, this is a highlighter. Holy shabam, you guys, look at that. I love that it has like a little net there. I love when brands do that, like they're just thinking of others. It's a highlight. It's really brown. I don't think, like darker brown, I don't think that it will work for me, but like, who cares? It's just makeup. Let's try it. Worst case, I can just kind of tap it over my blush. That's totally fine. I thought it was gonna show up a little bit darker, but no, it diffused really pretty. You guys see that? It's actually kind of like a really natural glow, but I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, and this is Zodiac Cosmetics. Again, I will link everything down below. I'm just really playing with my box this time, you guys. Wow, that's a really pretty highlight, you guys. When I swatched it initially, it looked like it would be too dark, but now that I have it on my skin, not at all. I think it's a pretty color. I'm not used to goldy highlights. I always like to go like more icy ones, but this is pretty. You guys see that? It's pretty. That's why I love this box, because not only is it new releases, so you're kind of getting in right at the beginning, but it exposes you to so many beautiful companies that you wouldn't have known about. All right, guys, so we're ready, and I'm freaking out because I gotta run. My son has a soccer game, so let's do this very quickly. So we have a Colored Rain satin lipstick. So excited. Oh my God, so rich, so beautiful. There you go. It's a bullet lipstick, it's a satin lipstick. It looks beautiful. Then, I'm very excited about the Propa Beauty lipsticks. This one's in the shade Limitless. Oh my God, look at this packaging, you guys. It's just so pretty, it's so chic. Oh, this one's very similar. You guys see that? This one's a little more orange, I think, and a lot more creamy. The first one was satin, this one's super creamy. You guys see that? Still very, very pretty. And then the last one is, oh, Mented Cosmetic. And this one's so pretty. Very chic, kind of like a MAC lipstick. I think I'm gonna do this one, you guys. This one's so pretty. Look at this color. Okay. Nude LaLa Matte. Nude LaLa Matte. There we go. It looks a little dark on camera, but it's really pretty. So that's the one that I'm going to use. So there's the finished look. You guys, first of all, look at these eyes. Look at how pretty. I mean, they were all mattes, and then like that blue glitter took it to the next level. I am going to be honest and say I don't know if I didn't let them dry long enough or whatever. But I have very hooded lids, so my lids were kind of sticking with the glitter glue, but that's okay. They still came out gorgeous, I feel. This lipstick is giving me like a 1994 vibes, like 96 vibes. I used to use this color in high school, so I love it. But overall, look at the look. It just came out so beautiful. I love the quality of all the stuff that I got. I'm so excited that, again, Trendmood and the beauty industry, from what we've been seeing, they're really committed to real change, and that's so important to me. The box again retails for $39. It sold out so quickly. Shipping, my God, can I just give them kudos on shipping? They are literally the absolute best when it comes to shipping, and I think number 2 is Beautylish. So like, all you other subscription boxes, get it together. Call Trendmood, ask for some direction. But I'm just saying, so thank you so much for watching, guys. This is the Trendmood box for the month of July. I will be putting all of the information down below so that you can go get signed up and alerted if you're interested in picking up the box for next month. I think one of their sneak peeks is the Tatcha Rice Polish Cleanser. Like, Come on, that's a big deal. Tatcha is expensive. So anyway, they always have great boxes. So if you're interested, everything will be down below. Follow me on Instagram. Hit like on this video if you liked this just quick little get ready with me as I unboxed my Trendmood box. And hit the bell so you can be notified of all future uploads. And leave me a comment with what your favorite product was that I showed you today. Thanks so much for being here, guys. I really appreciate it. I really love you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!